to this video though. Hi guys, it's your girl being Natasha Nicole here, and I am coming through with another quick little short brief, it's gonna be quick video, but I am just simply coming to show you how I am removing my lace front wig. This wig has been on for maybe about 3 days, and it's gotta come off because my head is like itchy and bad. So I just got out of class and I was like, let me go ahead and film this just in case, you know, I show you how I put them on, but I don't show you how to take them off. So I was like, well, I'll just film this video for you guys and just let y'all see how I take my wig off every night. I don't take it off every night. This wig has actually been on about 3 days, but I sometimes do take it off every night, and I'm just able to put it back on without re-washing and all that good stuff. But today we're just taking it off because it's been on for like 3 days. And if you have watched some of my videos, you know I only apply my wigs with Got to Be glue spray. This is like holy grail to me. Nothing better. Don't come for my nails. I know I'm getting filled in tomorrow. But this Got to Be glue spray is like dope. It holds your wig in place not as long as you need it to, but at least for like 2 or 3 days. Like it's day 3 and my hair is like stuck. It ain't going nowhere. So I really like this spray, and plus it's just an easy application. And using this spray allows me to be able to take my wig off every night if I wanted to, and just put it back on the next morning, spray some spray, put it back on, and I'm good to go. But yeah, like I said, I just got out of class and my head is itching, and this wig has got to come off because I don't know, I just feel like, you know, it's starting to look a little I don't know. I actually like my baby hair today, so I don't want to mess them up, but this wig's got to be washed. I put so much product in this hair, so this hair is just like nasty. So that's what we do. That's what we're doing. But we're gonna get to this video. First off, I'm gonna take off my glasses. Y'all don't look at me because I'm looking out of glass, and it takes a minute for my eyes to just take my glasses off. But the only thing you gonna need to actually take your wig off is this spray bottle. I don't have a lot of water in it, but you don't need that much. But I mean, as long as you got like a spray bottle or something to, you know, just kind of spray in that area to kind of take it off. I guess you could take it off in the shower if you wanted to, but I'm not. But I'm gonna go ahead and comb my hair out because once I take this wig off, it is getting washed. So I'm gonna go ahead and comb it while it's on my head right quick, you know, just so it won't be so tangly and nasty, because this hair, y'all, is like got so much product, but this hair is holding up. This hair is from QT Hair. I have a video coming about this hair soon, but I figured since I'm about to do this, why not just go ahead and let y'all see how I take it off, and then we'll get to putting this bad boy on, you know, later. I've already shown the video, but it just takes forever. Like, jeez. And I got class, and it's just like stuff. Look how, that's how you know it needs to be washed. Like, it's just nasty up under here. It just has a film on it. I don't know. We just gonna wash this hair right on out. Use a bobby pin. But yeah. So now that we got the hair all combed out, just so I can wash it without it being all tangly and stuff, you know what I mean? Comb this back, this is neat. Alright, so we got it brushed out. Okay, on with this video. So you're gonna take your water bottle, and I like to just kind of, I guess, just so you can see what I'm doing, I'm just gonna pin this back just a little bit. Pin this bad boy back. Take your water bottle, and I just literally hold it against my head. And this can get a little bit messy, so you may want a towel or something. I have plenty of like rags that I use just for makeup. So you just kind of want to just spray this area nice and well. Everywhere you got the glue, make sure you're going, not glue, but you know, got to be everywhere that you think the glue may be. And I kind of like to press it in just a little bit, because all you need to get this spray off your head is to use water anyway. So this is like super easy and simple, like nothing to it. But you just want to make sure, because like obviously this stuff is still holding, it wasn't ready to come off, so you want to make sure like you're not pulling your edges out or anything like that. I just keep spraying until it's nice and saturated. I feel like it's like, you know, you can start to feel it come off your fingers, but spray your head. You can even hold your head back, that works too, just so it's getting all the way back there, you know. So once you kind of got it like that, you want to check. I like to take any kind of rat tooth comb works, and I just kind of start one side where it's lifted at, like here, and I just keep it under here, and I'm just slowly just moving. Now if you get to a place where you feel like it's stuck, stop, put some more water. Do not rip your edges out. Edges are hard to come by these days. So just want to keep going down, and like here I'm kind of stuck, so spray a little more, make sure it's nice and saturated. Now obviously need to spray some more here. And there we go. And your wig is ready to come off. Just go under it again, just to make sure. Catch anything, you start to see the foundation literally running down my face from the inside of the wig. I think I still got a few bobby pins back here, actually. So once you're done with that, just lift it from the back, and voila, your wig is off, girl. And so this is what your wig looks like once it's off. Now, some days when I'm just going to put the wig back on the next day, I will not wash it. I just leave it just like this, or either put it on my mannequin head and just allow it to dry, and these baby hairs stay in place. So therefore, once you go to put it back on, once it's dry, once you go to put it back on, your baby hairs are almost kind of like laid for you. So this works. This is how I take my hair off, or my wig off, my unit off. Every night if I want to. You just got to make sure that you just leave it nice and open so it can dry overnight. And you're ready to go till the next time you want to put it on. So today we're going to wash her. But I think I already got a video of washing my wig. And that's, I mean, this is all I got for you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to go wash my hair. It feels so good. I'm going to go wash my hair, but yeah. Just really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see any other content or video ideas that you may want to see me do, feel free to leave those down below. And yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope it's helpful for some of y'all out there. If not, it's very self-explanatory. I mean, it's not a lot, but some people want to see how I take it off, so boom, there you go. So yeah, this is it for this video. I'm gonna go, and I will see you guys in the next one.